Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to my very first video, and I just want to welcome you to my house, Life on the Ledge. Thank you for joining me today, and today I'm going to be taking away this terrible turquoise color off of my front doors. I have picked out a fun little shade of pink that I don't think my boys are going to totally love, but hey, I am the only girl here and we gotta have some girl love. Anyhow, it's called Sweet Pastel. I will post the link down below to the color. That's my dog Peanut saying hello. I swear by Purdy brushes, and that is what these are. These are a must-have. Purdy brushes are the only way to go. I'll also post a link there. These are the 3-pack for 20 bucks at Lowe's, and my husband knows the way to my heart, and instead of bringing home flowers, he will sometimes bring home a pack of Purdy brushes. I will also be spray painting the handle to the door because it was worn out, rusted, ready for a freshen. I will be using this spray paint to do that and cover that, make it look brand spanking new. My husband is amazing at spray painting, so lucky guy, he's gonna get suckered into doing that. I have already wiped down and cleaned off all of the dirt, so I'm ready to rock and roll and start painting. So have fun watching that. I will speed that up so you don't have to watch all of that. And again, I will post everything at the bottom. So please follow me on all of my social medias. Subscribe down below to follow me on YouTube. I also have Pinterest, Life on the Ledge with Boys, Instagram, also Life on the Ledge with Boys, and a Facebook page, Life on the Ledge with Boys. I hope to see you all out there. And please give me comments, likes, whatever you feel the need. All right, let's get started. Okay, so you might have noticed that I did not tape off, and I never do. I have painted, I grew up my entire life doing things like this. You've seen in my other blogs where I mentioned that my mom was an interior decorator, and so my entire life has been spent doing these kinds of things. So I learned from her all my life. So you notice that I don't tape off, and I owe a lot of that to the Purdy brushes. Like I said, they are fantastic. And the 3-pack have different sizes that help you with the little small areas like around the window. Just a pro tip that I learned over the years that it saves a lot of time to not have to tape. I don't enjoy taping. I don't know many that do. So anyhow, you might look at that and use your steady hand. If you don't have a steady hand, then I would highly suggest that you go ahead and tape. This is the first time I've used this paint. It's supposed to be a one-coat wonder with primer and everything in it, just like one time. I am not loving this paint. It looks like it is going to need another coat. This is not one of my favorite ways to paint. Okay, so I'm back with a second coat update. I have completed the second coat, and you'll notice around the windows I got pretty messy. I did that with the intention to make sure I have all of the turquoise covered. So I'll go back in and clean that up with a razor blade. Let's talk color for a second. So this was my second choice. My first choice was a creamy white color. I consulted with my mom, who is an interior decorator who always makes the final say because I trust her decision. So this was the final say, the soft pastel. I will post this link at the bottom so that you can find just this exact color that came from Home Depot. I was a little frowning upon the brand of paint I was using because it's supposed to be a one-coat wonder. This is not a one-coat wonder. I had to do a second coat, and I feel like it's because the doors were so dry that they just sucked up all the moisture. So I did have to do a second coat, but I'm very happy with the coat. It does a lot of self-leveling, so any places where I had a little foobar, it kind of leveled out as I went back. I'm really happy with the color. Comment down below, let me know what color you like, if you would have gone creamy white, or if you like this color, or what you want to do on yours. And we will be back as soon as we put the handle back on and show you the final product. Thanks. Hey guys, we're back to just do the final segment and let you see the final product. So with Halloween upon us, we went ahead and decorated everything else, and we just had so much fun with it. As far as the final color goes, I turned out to really like it. I was a little bit scared at first, but once we finally got the clean new spray painted handle on, I think it turned out really smashing. So if you'll zoom in and show them a close-up of everything, I hope you guys like my Halloween decorations. Comment on that below. Show me your decorations. I hope you like it. Thanks for joining. Subscribe below.